Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to unfriend people on Snapchat. So if you want to unfriend somebody on Snapchat because you guys got into some drama, or you just don't hang out with them anymore, you just want to remove them, I'll show you guys exactly how to unfriend people on Snapchat today. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that your Snapchat app is updated. You could do that by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and updating it. And once you do that, you can head over to the Snapchat app. So let me do that real quick. And once you click on the Snapchat app, you'll be brought to this page right here. From here, if you go over to your chats, you can see everybody that you've been talking to recently. And to one of the methods that you can use to unfriend people is you actually hold down on their the chat, and then you'll see all these options here. You look for the manage friendship option, and if you click on that, then it will bring you these four options. Here, if you click on remove friend, then you can remove them from being your friend. You can also block them if you want to, or report them. But if you just want to remove them as a friend, then you just click on remove friend, and from here just click on remove. Like I said before, you can also block them or report them, but if you just want to remove them as a friend, then that's the best way to do it. Now, if you can't find them in your chat because you guys haven't talked in a long time, then you want to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. And if you guys want to, you can add me on Snapchat at Tubasa Tech. But if you go over to your profile, and from here scroll down a little bit. If you scroll down a bit, then you'll be able to see all of your friends. If you click on my friends, then it'll show everybody that is your friend. And like before, you just hold down on whoever you want to remove as a friend. And if you hold down on their profile, then hold down on it, don't press on it. If you hold down on it, then this option will show up again. You just click on manage friendship and then remove friend from here. And that's all you have to do to remove people from being your friends on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.